Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to open Google Chat on phone. So here I use iPhone XR for my device, and how to open Google Chat on my phone is just first thing we're gonna do, open the Google Chat application. If we cannot find the Google Chat application here, make sure that you are installing or you have installed Google Chat on your phone. If you already installed but you cannot find the application, just let you scroll into the left side, and now you are in a app library. Just type in the search button Google Chat, and after you find, just click it, and then you already in a Google Chat. That's all the way how you open Google Chat on phone. But if you want to open a chat and checking what chat that coming into your inbox, you just need to take a look on the first page. There will be only two sections on Google Chat. The first section is boxes, inboxes, and the other one is space. Chat and space. So how to check either you have a chat or not, there will be appear here. So there will be a name and a message there. And here is just a status section and setting section. So this is the way how you open the chat. Just click it, and now you already open the chat. You just need to accept. If you know the person, just need to click accept. If you don't know and you don't want to replay or know more about the person, just ignore it. And that's all the way how you open Google Chat on your phone, guys. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.